Hello, good morning.
Good evening. How are you?
I'm doing well, thank you. How about you?
I am great.
Excellent. What is your name?
My name is Ramzan. What's your name?
Ramsan. My name is Sarah.
Okay, Sarah.
And Ramsan, where are you from?
I am from India.
India. And what time is it in India?
We have 9:35 p.m.
PM. Oh, that's why you said good evening. I'm not used to saying, I was confused. Well,
Yes, okay.
here
So
with
you
me
have the
right
morning,
now.
right?
I'm sorry?
You have morning there.
Yes. Right now here it's 10:05 a.m.
Okay, so there is a big difference in the time zone, right?
Exactly. And how are you doing today?
I am doing great. I have done all the stuff, and then finally, I thought that I have to connect with some different people on Cambly and communicate with them. And in that way, I will be improving my confidence level and even communication skill as well.
Great. So you would like to practice more speaking, right?
Yes, speaking and listening. So
Oh, perfect.
basically, I was not able to understand the people who are living in the native countries. So I thought that I have to listen more and know about their cultures and share about myself. So in that way, I could able to do the talk a little larger. So this was the way I plan to do the discussions.
Perfect. So you're mainly focused on improving your confidence, improving your speaking skills, and just making conversations longer, right? So that we can just continue with the full conversation.
Yes, yes, because in most of the cases when we try to learn English, so at that moment we couldn't able to think and speak simultaneously.
Yes, yes,
So
of
this
course, I
was the issue
understand.
I was also facing, but now I am enough confident that I can make sentences. And now, from last 3 weeks, I am practicing on Cambly, so I have enough confidence that I can speak in front of a native speaker and even able to understand. So now I am trying to become more advanced, like pronunciation and confidence. Actually, earlier I was not able to talk with any girl.
Are
So
you serious? A year
yes,
ago.
yes, yes, yes.
Wow. So your confidence, it's much, much better, and your speaking, it's really good.
Yes, now it is becoming more better. But earlier I had a lot of shyness when someone is asking me a question. I mean, a girl or my classmates. So I couldn't able to give them the proper reply that what they said and what I should speak to them because at that moment I lose my whole confidence.
It happens. Now that you mentioned that, my mom, she was trying to learn a new language, and it's just the same as you. There were some people who were trying to tell her something in a different language, and she will hide. Like she will run into the house and just hide and like all stressed out. And she was mentioning to me, I'm feeling very nervous because I know the words and I know how to answer, but I'm just so afraid. So when you mentioned that, I immediately thought about my mom and that strange feeling of I can do it, but I'm scared. I'm not sure.
Yes, yes, yes. Mostly, I had one more biggest challenge when I was in my college. So I had the placements. So over there, they had the interview in English. So we have to speak in English, and you know that if we have the knowledge and we have to share that knowledge with a person who is speaking in English, and we are not having the confidence to speak in English. So at that moment, this become a uh, biggest difficulty for us to handle. So I faced a lot of interviews, and because of which I become more habitual with that, and now I think that I am comfortable with all that. So, what's your profession?
Well, I graduated as an English and Spanish teacher. I graduated, I have a bachelor's on that, but right now I'm actually working, well, as an English tutor, but I also work as a medical certified interpreter. So basically what I do is that I work for different hospitals in the United States, but right now everything is on video. So if there's a Spanish speaking person that goes to the hospital, I will interpret between the doctor and the Spanish speaking person, the patient, so that they can communicate through each other. So I'm just basically there saying, oh, he said this, she said this, and just, gossiping around. And what do you do?
Yes, you mean that you have. I am a software engineer, so I develop websites, mobile apps, and working for different clients in the other countries.
That's so cool. I'm very bad with computers. You need to help me with that.
Yes, sure, sure. So you are interested in that? I mean, have you done anything?
Like about like computers and apps and all of those things, you mean?
Yes, yes.
I have apps on my phone if that's something, but no, not really. I have a brother. My brother is
Uh-huh.
23 years old, and I was telling him that he should study that, computer engineering. I think that it's very interesting, but I really have no idea. And I was telling my brother, this career, it's really the career from the future. Like everyone is there. You should study. And he was kind of interested, but right now he's thinking about being an architect. So it's two different things, but I'm pushing him towards your career because I think that it's just better. Hopefully he will
Yes, yes, there is
listen.
I mean, bright career.
That's awesome. And what do you like to do for fun?
For fun, I
Like
am
things that
just
you
communicating with
have things that you
you.
enjoy?
A lot of Yes, a lot of other people on Cambly. So this is one of the best option for me to have fun and communicate with other people, know about their selves, and yes. Other than that, I have nowadays I have a more critical project, so I never focus on any other thing. Meanwhile, I am learning driving, so I
Oh,
also go for about 1 hour or maybe 1.5 hour over there. So these are the two sources in which I spend some time when I get frustrated. So other than that, I focus on my work.
perfect. So you're really focused like on just, I need to work, very goal oriented, right?
Yes, correct.
That's very good. We should learn about like we should be like goal oriented. It's awesome. I need to learn how to drive. I need to practice my speaking. I need to work. For me, to be honest, I'm very just all over the place. I'm like, oh, what am I gonna do today? I don't know. Well, I have my schedule to work, but I'm just like, oh, no, I don't want to do this. So it's very, I need to learn
Actually,
from you, definitely.
this is because you are doing a job. So when we are doing a job or become an employee, so at that moment we only take the specific responsibility and just try to finish it out, and
That's
then
true.
make ourselves more free. But I
Mm-hmm.
have the whole responsibility that I have to stand up and complete the projects by my own. There is no other one who will be helping me, and I have to grow. And I mean, there is no other option for me. And other than that, I have my own office, so there is no disturbance at all here.
Oh, that's
So
good.
mostly I have some computers, lighting system, and I also listen some audio books, and yes, these are the few things that I do, and so that's why I am much focused on this one.
Yes, you have a special room where you can just, I
Yes,
need to finish this. So it's something that you have to do. And I can see that our,
yes,
our
yes.
time is almost finished. I'm very happy to see you and thank you for speaking with me. Hopefully we can meet next
Yes,
time.
thank you. Thanks for your time. Bye.
Thank you. Bye. Have a great day. Night.